Hello everyone. This is the pre-market report video for today, 5th July 2023 in the Indian stock market in terms of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Last night, US market was on holiday, but other Asian markets and European market was open along with the Indian market. So first, let's have a quick look on what happened on Indian market and European market yesterday, and then we can discuss about what we can expect today. Yesterday, for the 5th straight session, Nifty opened a gap up of over 80 points and over 19,400 with the support of Reliance. But after the opening, Reliance dropped heavily and thus it drags the Nifty down to near 19,300. Regarding the reasons, there was various mixed Indian analyst reports were released about the Jio Bharat phone. First of all, as I said in my last pre-market video, Monday Reliance rally was mainly on the speculation of cheap 5G phone launch. But instead, in the late Monday evening, Reliance launched the 4G feature phone. So that's the first partial negative. Then various analysts released the various statement, but the following are the core content. That this feature phone launch by Reliance was very much intended to capture or claw the 25 crore 2G subscribers in Airtel and Vodafone. They not just launched 999 rupees 4G phone, Reliance also launched the plan along with it. The users will get unlimited voice calls with 14 GB of data for just 123 rupees per month. Thus, the annual plan will cost 1234 rupees for 168 GB data, which is roughly 30% less compared to present Airtel and Vodafone price. So now it created the price war again in the telecom field. That's the reason yesterday all the three telecom operators, Reliance, Airtel and Vodafone, all were down. Even on the GDR, Reliance was down by 1%. Anyway, back to Nifty. Once Bank Nifty reaches 45,000, it took the support and in turn pushed the Nifty again above 90,400. Here, I don't want to talk about Bajaj Twins as we discussed in detail in the last pre-market video. But just for info, it increased over 5% and throughout the day, it maintained that status. Sector-wise, IT, Pharma and PSU Bank increased by 0.5 to 2%, while Automobile, Energy and Infra were the worst hit, down by 0.3 to 0.6%. In case of overall market, the advanced decline ratio was 0.86:1. So yesterday, 15% more of stocks were declined than that advanced. About the institutional activities, again FII were net buyers. The net bought for approximately 2,135 crore rupees, whereas DI booked the profit. The net sold for 785 crore rupees. Then coming to European market, most of them opened positive but ended the day on a negative to flat note. And the same in US as well. Throughout last night and now in the morning, US future market is trading 0.1 to 0.2% negative. In terms of oil, most of us know last Monday, Saudi Arabia announced that they are going to extend their oil production cut to till September. But market didn't take that seriously. Now yesterday, Russia announced that in support of OPEC Plus that they are also going to cut the production by 5 lakhs barrels per day. This made the oil to increase around 2%, and at the time of this video, WTI crude oil was trading near $71 per barrel and Brent crude oil was trading around $76 per barrel. Then regarding GIFT Nifty, at 3 AM Indian Standard Time, it closed at 19,493, which is also kind of indicating flat to negative opening today. Before moving to the next topic, I like to highlight this one thing. For the past 1 or 2 weeks, Biden government has been constantly exploring the opportunity to put sanctions on semiconductor company exports to China, which includes both materials as well as technology on the basis of national security. Now, in order to retaliate, Chinese government puts the ban on export of two rare earth metals, gallium and germanium, which is widely used in the semiconductor and electric vehicles. They said the export ban will be effective from August 1st. At present, worldwide, 60% of those two metal export is from China. So now, literally, it again started the trade war. Some analysts were fearing that this tension might increase the ban on other rare earth metals, including lithium. Anyway, all these were very negative for semiconductor stocks. Since gallium and germanium is found in zinc, this could be positive for Hindustan Zinc and Indian market. Just a disclaimer, here I can be wrong as well. So that's all about what happened on yesterday. Now coming to today's Indian market related info. First, about Reliance, as I said earlier, most of the Indian analysts such as Citi, Kotak and Morgan Stanley were not bullish about the Jio Bharat phone. They basically said the upfront price tag 999 rupees may initially appeal only to those who are looking to buy a new feature phone and may not immediately disrupt Airtel and Vodafone Idea's 2G base. However, now other foreign brokerages, JP Morgan, Bank of America and Jefferies all said it will disturb those 25 crore customer base. So they downgraded both Airtel and Vodafone and they maintained the buy rating on Reliance. Here I am also thinking the same. I think Reliance will increase the 2G customer base. I don't think that 999 rupees upfront will be a problem. Let's see who is going to win, but one thing for sure, it did started the price war again in the Indian telecom industry. Second info, today I think Aurobindo Pharma will be in focus as its subsidiary announced the very positive results on their new drug in the phase 3 clinical trials. And third, because of this HDFC and HDFC Bank merger, as expected, there is a rebalancing in all Nifty index. I mean, effective from July 13th, L&T Mindtree will be replacing HDFC in the Nifty 50 and Jindal Steel and Power is going to replace HDFC in Nifty 100. In case of FinNifty, LIC Housing Finance will be the replacement. And in Nifty 500, Mankind Pharma will be the one which is going to include. I hope you guys able to follow me. So all those new index will be focused today. I am expecting very positive. Let's see. As a summary, everything, European market, GIFT Nifty and US future all indicating a flat opening. However, based on the foreign brokerage report, there is a chance Reliance might turn positive. Regarding banks, at present, I don't have the complete info about the rebalancing and its effect on HDFC Bank, that whether it will cause the fund outflow or not. Moving on about the things to look out. First, early morning before our market opening, Chinese service payment data is due. Then, during our market hours at 10:30 AM Indian Standard Time, there is a scheduled release of S&P Global Indian Service Payment Data. The expected value is 60.2, whereas in the last month, I mean for May month, it was 61.2. This data in conjunction with US future market will have an effect on Indian IT stocks. Then in the afternoon, there is a schedule for various composite and service payment data for June month for various European countries such as Germany, France and UK. Finally, in the night, I mean in the aftermarket hours, first factory orders for May month and during the US market hours, very important last FOMC meeting minutes release. So those were the items we have to keep an eye out today. Coming to technical, in Nifty, after the gap up opening near 19,400, sellers came aggressively and pushed it down to 19,300. That's where buyers re-entered into the market and pushed back again in the upward direction. However, it was not enough. Thus, on the daily chart, after the 4 days of bullish green candle, yesterday Nifty forms a short red candle with a long lower shadow and short upper shadow. Now here, this formation is formed in the uptrend market. Thus, this is called hanging man pattern formation. Hanging man is a bearish reversal pattern and also this formation shows the tiredness in the market, so we can expect some consolidation. However, on the positive side, higher high and higher low formation continued for the 5th straight session. Now, Nifty has to continue to hold above 19,300 zones to extend its rally towards 19,450 and 19,500. In case of Bank Nifty, it forms the high wave doji candle with very long upper and lower shadow, indicating indecisiveness. It shows in the market there were equal number of buyers as well as sellers and both of them were very active and aggressive. However, unlike Nifty, Bank Nifty so far doesn't show any consolidation signal. Then from options engine open interest, there was a huge number of huge call options unwound at 19,300 and it's very unusual, very few new options were added. So moving to overall options, 19,300 got the maximum nearby put options added with less call option open interest. So 19,300 is the immediate support and if it breaks then 19,000 is the strong support. Then 19,400 got the significant short straddle and thus the next maximum nearby call option open interest is at 19,500. Thus 19,500 is the significant hurdle to break. Then coming to Bank Nifty, based on overall options open interest data, the maximum nearby call option open interest, which is not a short straddle, is at 46,000. So 46,000 is the resistance to break, and the maximum put option open interest with less call option open interest is at 45,000. Thus 45,000 is the support to look out for. So that's all in this video. Hope you all got some useful information. Please consider subscribing the channel and liking the video, so it will help me beat the YouTube algorithm and also motivate me to do more. Please don't make any investment based on this, as I'm not a SEBI registered advisor. I'm doing this for my and viewers' educational purpose only. Thanks for watching.